I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry, I watch them grow. They learn much more than I never knew. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Gonna close my eyes, girl, and watch you go, running through this life, darling, like I feel the snow. As the tracer glides in its graceful arc, send a little prayer perfect summer's night, no the wind that breathes, just the bullets whispering gentle amongst the new green leaves. There's things I might have said, only wish I could. Now I'm leaking life faster than I'm leaking blood. Tell the reaper man and the stars above that you're the one I love. You're the one I love. The one I love. You. Don't see Elysia, don't see no fairy hill, just the lights up bright, baby, in the Bay Hotel. Next week